Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off your engine and set the parking brake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove compartment. Remove the lower dashboard casing. Remove the cover under the glove compartment. Lift the tab on the cabin filter flange, then remove it. Take out the filter. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones have activated carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and are 50 times more protective than traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Replace the flange. Put the cover under the glove compartment back on. Put the casing back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.